That's the company that makes like tactical stuff for dogs.
They have this thing called crickets. They have to like jump them down.
Oh, that's their standard. This has the white.
I need to find a hard case one for my air, like those. So I can put it under my bed. Don't worry.
All this area here.
The 80s. That's cool.
So they've been working on
1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Mic check. 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Mic check. 1 2.
Hi, how's it going, guys?
I've been putting a lot less.
For a while, since 2000. Babe, what year was Alpha 4?
2008.
Oh, 2008. Yeah.
Oh, we went to Anaheim in 2012.
Oh, I've been there my whole life and I didn't even know you guys were there.
We're off of Brookhurst, if you're familiar. You know where Home Depot is at?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're like behind the business development in that area. So.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know. I just moved out of Anaheim.
Oh, what city are you guys in now then?
I'm in La Habra now. Well, he's still in Anaheim.
Oh.
Yeah, I just noticed that it says right here Anaheim, so that's why I got surprised.
Yeah, if you guys are interested this weekend for rifles or guns, Rifle Supply will cover the new tax, the 11% excise tax. They will be covering it for you guys. So, and if you guys are interested in any of these, just take a picture of the tag and just go in the shop and you guys can get that special. We also have, we're a machine
Slides and barrels.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mic check. 1 2. Mic check. 1 2. Microphone check. 1 2.
Yeah, but you have to. Yours is a 19. You have to look one for 19.
So these are all 15% off. We manufacture slides and rifles, and right now there's, if you go into Rifle Supply, we do machine cuts, but we only do certain things on our website, and you get Cerakote and machining for $98. So if you just bring in your slide, you just go into there, the special order.
They usually sell them at the same price. Yeah, if you love
So yeah.
Text me too.
Normally gummies will just take so much money.
Walk around, just see what else people have.
R&D or especially with
Thank you.
the roster. Yeah, like it's just, and there's so much competition.
Once again, vendors, we're about to open soon. Make sure you guys get your coffee, get your energy up, get some tacos too, fill up your bellies.
How you guys doing?
Let's have a good show today.
It's a big ass scope.
Yeah, feel free to pick anything up if you want to take a look at it. Yep.
Just the feet thing will have to be the test.
I didn't see it.
Not 10 grand.
It's like almost like a Milwaukee game.
I know, right? The red and the black. Yeah, these are just our like cert guns. So we just use them as models.
I think another guy just had like Milwaukee. Like
Yeah.
long.
DJ Mike 1-2, DJ Mike 1-2.
Little holster line called UM Tactical, made in Florida, USA made. They kind of made a name for themselves with federal law enforcement, and now they're out to the consumer market. And
That's a 19, right?
yeah, and we make it for everything, but that's our Glock 19 inside the waistband, and then we do a sidecar model as well. We do a couple others, but those are by far the two most popular.
It goes outside, right?
We do that too.
It's
Yep, yep.
Or just to conceal.
Yeah, all of our stuff is for consumer.
So let's say I wanna get one just for like outside,
Yep.
for work.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, great dude.
Yeah, that's cool.
How much did these go for?
That one there is about 89, and that one's about 50.
That's not bad. It's a mag holder.
Yeah. This one's still the older mag on it.
Yeah.
I'll probably come back to
Cool deal, thank you.
How you guys doing today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just a two-gun. Get a good deal.
One of where?
I don't know. Is it a shirt?
36.
What are you?
Those guys are flags. Feel free to take that one. So we don't have rifles online store. They are still on the website. Have a variety of links. We have
What's a flag? It's a flag that
and they do single or double. And they have all.
Oh, what's the laser hiking? What is this?
Yeah.
It's like hiking or what?
There's a whole bunch of different options that you'll see. I can help you find one online if you want to.
It's cool.
You can always, if you happen to go to a store, which feel free to take one of our cards over there. It has an address. How's it going, you guys?
Both of your stores. Firestone.
Oh, yeah. So it's that one. And
That's cool. It's a cool color.
it's over in Orange? Oh, that's the Carson. Carson? Yeah.
All right, cool. I just thought it.
Yeah, no problem. If you happen to go to a store again, we're doing this thing.
I had a soda and I put it down.
You got like 15 more times. Fuck. You'll never make it through a whole dream. Are you done?
I have like your bag.
Oh, my favorite one.
Oh, that thing's the tiniest one, dude.
Yeah, I want to buy one of these.
How much are those?
They're like about $800 plus the fees. It'll come up to like 900.
Not bad.
Nice.
I know.
I like this one. This one's cool.
Sounds clean though.
Yeah, so that's a Gen 5. That's actually my personal.
Make sure on the phone is working.
The holster's over here.
Probably on my desk somewhere else, I'd guess.
Yeah, because we sold out so quick. I ordered them and Robert said I'll just bring them. And I had already had a pre-opening, so I'll have John receive them. Or Jake, are you out here?
He's out here with us.
Alright. Yeah. Oh no. Well, are you gonna be here at?
I'll be here, yeah.
Okay, cool. Then yeah, you don't have to sign. You don't have to write anything. Cash.
Oh shit.
Yes.
What is this?
This is a 1919 Browning
Nice.
with a tiger stripe. It's one of my coworkers' guns. Yeah, they gave me all these things from Nitto, but I'm like, I don't know if this is the right booth for it, but I'm gonna give them out anyway.
Alright, I was about to that. I'll take one.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Help
We are
yourself.
now open, guys. If you're just arriving, we do have tacos, coffee whip, Coda Ice, right off to the side. Jesus Christ.
I know, exactly. I got a bipod coming. I'm gonna have it set up so people can mess with it, but whenever the bipod gets here.
Mm-hmm. 3.
Yeah, that's sick.
All vendors, we are now open.
It'd probably be easy for you though.
What's this way?
Like grab from the handle and
Oh. Not for me, but this guy's weak.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice though.
Yeah, right?
Have you shot it?
No. Unfortunately, it's California compliant.
That looks gay.
Exactly. Single shot.
it'll still be fun to shoot though.
Exactly.
How much is something like this would go for?
I don't even know. Kevin, do you know how much of the 1990s would go for? Probably a good amount, yeah, because it's
Probably 20
vintage.
grand? Like a machine gun, technically.
I don't know. I'd say,
The original, sorry.
yeah. Like in good condition, you're probably looking at 8, 9K, maybe. That's just a guess. Just a guess, completely. This one's kind of cool because it's foldable too.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. And then we did it. We're kind of doing the digital night camo on it.
Yeah.
Which is
For night vision?
yeah, exactly.
It's a pistol now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but I do all the Cerakote. It's a good job.
That one's cool.
Yeah, this one's my own rifle. I just did it because no one's really ever done anything like it.
The pump.
I actually finished that yesterday.
Oh, this one?
They're like, hey, I got a one-day build for you guys. We want to display it. And I was like, okay, sure, why not? But it ended up being pretty dope. Pretty cool little thing there. Yeah, pretty sweet. Of course, it's super hot. It's been in the sun, but
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
No problem, guys. I also did the share code here too.
Oh wow, that's cool.
No, it's not mine.
So what got in this guy?
This is Raul's. This is the guy, but I did the whatever this is called, or whatever this is called.
You painted that basically.
Yeah.
It's like decoration or what?
I don't know. Stallion.
I have a cherry too, but mine's all lifted out.
Right?
I was debating on wearing pants because I was like, oh, 70, 74.
That's what I said.
I was like,
That's not too
black top.
bad.
Okay, I'll just wear
Yeah.
no.
Yep. Drop it, and stay the thump.
That's the next one. There, just I don't know. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Or well, I'm taking my block.
Brendan, nice to meet you guys.
Okay.
Brendan, nice to meet you guys. Just walking around here? Or okay, yeah, please.
Yeah.
Let me know if you guys have any questions.
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
I guarantee you. Nope.
Lock it back, bro. Lock it back. Are you left-handed or right-handed? Slap it, bro.
Good.
Yeah.
That's alright, man. No, but I have a 34 coming in.
Just tell your time.
The 6:45? 6:45.
6:45.
I gotta get a plate though. I gotta get an arm plate.
Did you get it?
I just shot it. Yeah, I got it.
Want to do the HK slap?
Not here. No, this is our stuff. Yeah.
Oh, good, man.
We seen you guys soon.
And what you do with the fifth too?
Up over there this time. So I don't blast all the vendors and fucking crazy.
I gotta meet you guys soon. I'm up for my renewal, man.
Oh, no, it's already separated.
I like that.
Nothing bad.
Yeah, it's an MP5.
Okay. What are you guys doing?
I don't think so. I still said
The rifle ones, which was like the only ones that we could get, it's like almost $1,000. That's the ones that Luis wanted to get. Yeah, but the rifle
Still Rohagis. Unless we make a range out here.
So I'm looking at focusing now on just generally training something. Like, you know, CCW, but I'm taking that aspect out.
Yeah.
Should have brought my shot timer then. I had it.
Yeah, but you can't hear it though.
You can turn the volume up all the way.
Okay, congratulations.
That's it. If you're gonna, if you can just point this way,
Thank you.
Dude, I wouldn't trust this.
I gotta check you guys out, man. I gotta learn some shit from you.
When have you met him before? When he does shooting, he has a GoPro on top.
It's wrapped on the thing.
Come down just a little bit. It's wrapped.
Aim here, I'm sorry.
There you go. It was wrapped. There we go. There you go.
There we go. Give him some slack. Give him some slack.
Maybe. I think we gotta unwrap this a little bit. We'll free you up.
Is it a full power, bro? Let me know if you need more slack.
There we go.
It's also wrapped.
Now we have some more slack.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's in the back. I was gonna tell you it's right there.
Yeah, I got some blocks done with you guys are getting like Dom did on, I think.
Oh yeah, the
Stippling and stuff.
Radius.
He doesn't stipple anymore, so.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
He's good at it, man.
Yeah, he's making triggers now, and he does a bunch of off-road shit.
Oh, that's cool.
I would think if I did like that. Full radio?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
Oh, that's cool.
See, all I did was buy like something like that.
You're gonna need that thing on the bottom first, the racks.
The racks, yeah, and
then put the 10 on top.
You can get up on in there if you want. Yeah, go up there and check it out.
Go for it.
We'll check it out. Oh, dude. This is crazy. Store disabled. This is nice. That's pretty cool. I'll do something like that. Open my okay. Something like this would be cool for my truck. I get a black one like this. Woo! Put some curtains on here.
It's a cool car.
Huh?
It's a cool car.